Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll demonstrate how to easily copy text from a PDF on your laptop, so let's get started. First, locate the PDF file on your laptop where the text is located. Right-click on the PDF file to bring up the context menu. From the menu, select Open With and then choose Google Chrome to open the PDF file in your browser. Once the PDF file is open in your Google Chrome, you'll be able to select and copy the text. Simply click and drag your mouse cursor to highlight the text you want to copy. After selecting the text, right-click on it to bring the context menu. From the menu, select Copy to copy the selected text to your clipboard. Now, the text is copied and ready to be pasted into the application or document on your laptop. And that's it. You've successfully copied text from a PDF on your laptop using Google Chrome. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, thanks for watching.